Hey beloveds, here's a tip on how to select the best opportunity, volunteer opportunity for your future career and start targeting your resume. All right, so volunteering is a great way to get experience and add to your resume in a meaningful way. But be very selective though about where you volunteer. It's important that you make it count and not waste your time. For example, let's say you're going to school for criminal justice or what other field that you want to pursue. Only volunteer at places that relate to the major and or the type of work you want to pursue in your future. This way, when you graduate, you'll already have experience in this field or industry. Volunteering in a way that relates to your major, it does not mean you need to volunteer to do lawyer-like work. Again, using our example of criminal justice. That's actually really hard to do when you have little or no experience in the first place. No one's going to give you that much responsibility where you can mess up something big. Now, what's more doable, and that's just as helpful, for example, is serving as a front desk aide in a lawyer's office or doing some simple projects and tasks for a criminal justice related nonprofit. These type of experiences get you exposed to the industry and field. This type of experience will help you determine if this field is actually something you should pursue long-term as a career. You'll get real life insight that you just can't get by doing informational interviews or watching YouTube videos about, what people do in criminal justice. Paid or unpaid, volunteer or not, it's work experience that should be placed front and center on your resume. All of this experience starts to create a narrative, a story that this is your chosen field and that you're already in it, okay? This is a start of shaping your resume into a targeted one, directed toward a specific industry, and then when you apply to jobs in this chosen field, you're already, halfway there. So volunteering and doing unpaid work, that's great, but make sure you're getting what you need to get out of it too. Make sure it's tied directly to what you want to do and that it builds on your resume in a meaningful way. Don't just take every volunteer opportunity that comes your way. Be very selective about it. All right, till next time. Take care, you all. Bye-bye.